Hello everyone, I'm Yarlenis Mendoza and in this video I'd like to share the real modifications I've made to writing evaluation during my practicum at San Bartolome Educational Institution. Lesson of the course, Testing and Evaluation in ELT. This change aims to create a more inclusive and meaningful assessment environment, especially in a context where both students and the teacher face limitation with the English language. And now, this is a table of contents. Number one, identify the problem. Number two, key modification. Number three, inclusive adaptation. Number four, implementation examples. And number five, final thought. Okay, the point number one, the challenge or the problem, it's about a thorough evaluation are monitored. Teachers are often pulled away by other responsibilities, grading, solving classroom issues, or administrative tasks. This lack of continuous supervision leads to students' distraction and reliance or and classmates to complete this which weakens the reliability of the assessment process. Also, limit English proficiency in both students and the teacher makes it harder to go in depth or use more complex language in evaluations. Now, about the key modification, the number one is a simple and accessible English. All instruction are writing using clear and basic language. About the number two in visual support, I add image and examples to help students better understand task. And the number three, guide practice. Before each test, I include a model activity or sample answer so students know exactly what is accepted structure feedback. This is about the after every evaluation, I dedicate time to review answer, solve the doubts, and provide personalized feedbacks. About the activity supervision, I stay present during the test to guide, answer question, and create a calm, focused atmosphere. Okay, in an inclusive adaptation, the number one is for students with ADHD. I use short, focused tasks and break assessment into smaller parts. I also include visual reminds and often constant gently supervision to redirect their attention when needed. For students with ASD, I often individual explanation using visual examples and allow extra time. When sensory overload is detected, I include breaks and reduce external stimuli, routines and quiet space, and also case. About the students with a Down syndrome, I avoid heavy writing tasks. Instead, I use printing materials with picture and multiple choice visual assessment focus on vocabulary and association through flashcard and games. About the emotion or behavior difficulties, I implement strategies like a one-on-one talks before and after test, symbolic regard for task competition, breaking techniques to reduce stress, and group dynamics that forces collaboration and self-regulation. In implementation and examples or results, the test modification have been progressive amplified in the classroom. My student with ADHD now follows short structured assessment with visual cues. The student with ASD feels safer and more confident task to the calm routine and adapted environment. The student with Down syndrome engage more through visual cards and limited items test, and the group struggling with emotional regulation now benefit more for a more empathic and respectful assessment space, support by routine and clear expression. And finally, assessment should be opportunity for understanding and not just grading. With real adaptation, we create an environment where everyone can show what they know and can do. All these changes have a purpose to make evolution fair, inclusive, and mindful. It's not just about grading, it's about understanding what each student can do and how we, as teacher, can create the right condition for them success. Inclusive assessment is not only a right, it's a responsibility. Thank you a lot for watching the video. Bye bye.